Dan, the credit man Willis here, and we're talking about credit attorneys and how to find a legal credit attorney versus credit repair scam and paying more than you really need to. This is the second part of our playlist. For the other videos, check out the link in the description below. And the first thing we want to hit on here is the Credit Repair Organizations Act. This is also called the CROA, and this is a federal law that governs and regulates how legitimate credit repair attorneys and law firms can behave. They're going to have to work within the dispute process, which means they're going to dispute the credit bureaus, and then they're also going to use some debt validation. We're going to talk some more about that here in the next video. But to avoid a scam, the scam artists are going to talk about changing your identity or using an EIN. That's a way to kind of alleviate and work around the Social Security number. They also may talk about piggybacking on another credit card, and one of the big things and the biggest indicators here is the expense. To really please avoid hiring a single individual or paying an hourly rate for your credit repair. That really 90 if not higher percent of the time they are going to have a paralegal do all the work on your case for you. You don't need the expertise of an attorney. What you really need is just the professional, somebody that's familiar with it, because the credit report dispute process, they have to dispute each one of the credit bureaus, meaning you have to file a dispute with TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax, and then you have to just juggle them all. And especially if you're removing more than one item from your credit report, it can be just more of a mess. Instead, look for a monthly fee, and typically you will be able to contact and speak with this paralegal about your case on a regular basis. Customer service is a big important factor, and these attorneys or these services as well will probably tell you that they're Better Business accredited or certified, and they'll also have something on their website that'll say something about the CROA and the Credit Repair Organizations Act. Avoid these scams. There aren't as many as there have been in the past. There's a lot more legitimate, but the primary purpose is, one, to make it stress-free for yourself, two, have that letterhead of an attorney, and three, have somebody that's familiar and knows how to do this stuff, because it's really about just being persistent and consistent. You don't have to hire somebody, and if you do, avoid paying an hourly rate. Instead, you want to look for at the most about $100 a month, somewhere in that range. We've seen services, I believe, as low as $50 a month. And in the next video here, check it out, we're going to talk about how long it's actually going to take and the actual process of what's going to be expected of you, what they're going to do, and there's a couple things you have to do, but you really have a pretty hands-off. They do all the legwork and jump through all the hoops for you. So please check it out, and please don't just live with bad credit. This is Dan Willis. We've got a free report and an article with some more tips here. We're going to attach in the link in the description below, along with the link to the next step. So have a terrific afternoon. Please like this video. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll talk soon.